Okay, we have already learned how to group in the Microsoft Excel. Now we are going into the Google Sheet. So I have some random value here, okay, and month. Right. So now let's assume I want to group from January all the way to June, okay, half a year. So what do I do? Well, select the row first, then go for your right click. Of course, you don't see it here because you need to go to more row action. And here, right, it allow you to group. See that? It allow you to group this. See this? So you can actually expand and collapse this, right, for your group. Okay. Same thing, I can just repeat the process and group this here. So this actually allow you to work, right, more effectively using your Google Sheet.